Wake up.
I wake up early every morning.
Get up.
Get up from bed and start your day.
Get out.
Let's go out to play in the park.
Come in.
Please come in and join the party.
Put on.
Put on your jacket. It's cold outside.
Take off.
Take off your shoes before entering the house.
Pick up.
Can you pick up the toys from the floor?
Turn on.
Turn on the lights. It's getting dark.
Turn off.
Turn off the TV when you're done watching.
Look for.
I need to look for my missing book.
Set up.
Let's set up the game board for Monopoly.
Clean up.
It's time to clean up the messy room.
Eat up.
Eat up your vegetables. They're good for you.
Drink up.
Drink up your milk. It'll make your bones strong.
Brush teeth.
Don't forget to brush your teeth before bed.
Wash hands.
Remember to wash your hands before dinner.
Go to bed.
It's late. It's time to go to bed.
Get dressed.
Get dressed in your school uniform.
Take care of.
Take care of your pet rabbit.
Look after.
I'll look after your toys while you're at school.
Show up.
I hope my friend will show up at the party.
Give up.
Don't give up. You can do it.
Break up.
Sometimes friends can have a little breakup.
Make up.
Friends can make up and be friends again.
Grow up.
When I grow up, I want to be a firefighter.
Stand up.
Please stand up when the teacher enters the room.
Sit down.
Everyone, sit down at your desks.
Calm down.
Take a deep breath and calm down.
Run away.
The squirrel will run away if we get too close.
Carry on.
Let's carry on with our game.
Look up.
You can look up information on the computer.
Turn around.
Turn around and face the other way.
Break down.
My bicycle broke down on the way to school.
Get in.
Get in the car. We're going to the zoo.
Get out.
Get out of the pool. It's time to leave.
Check out.
Let's check out books from the library.
Hang up.
When you're done talking, hang up the phone.
If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Subscribe for the latest tips. And let's keep practicing together. Thank you for being part of our English learning journey.